cake. Kucing na lang kasama ko sa school. Kucing friends na agad kayo. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Asa na po yung mga kapatagod ko ba si Luigi dito? Yung mga kapatid ko ba si Luigi? Lapos ko ah. Lahat ng kapatid ni Luigi lapit. Tinalingan ko po ang lahat na magsipag tayo. Ayan, stand up ang lahat. At lapit-lapit tayo dito sa gitna. Ayan. Ayan, dahil sabay-sabay po nagkakantaan si Luigi ng isang Jolly Birthday song. Kaya naman kids in everyone, let's sing a Jolly Birthday song to
Jolly Bird.
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday. One more. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Ayan naman. Luigi, with the help of Mommy and Daddy, you may close your eyes and make a wish first. Ay, napigat ng mga mata at humiling muna tayo. Close your eyes and make a wish. And you know, blow your birthday candle. 1, 2, 3, blow the birthday candle. 1, 2, 3.